The Stanford Prison Experiment, conducted in 1971 by psychologist Philip Zimbardo, stands as one of the most controversial studies in psychology. The aim of the experiment was to explore how individuals conform to social roles, especially in environments that encourage power imbalances. It sought to answer the question, how do situational forces and assigned roles influence behavior? 24 college students were selected for this 2-week study after passing rigorous psychological screenings. These participants were randomly assigned to play either guards or prisoners. The basement of Stanford University's psychology department was transformed into mock prison, complete with cells, barred doors, and surveillance. The guards were given authority to enforce rules but no specific training, while prisoners were treated like real inmates, even being arrested at their homes. Almost immediately, the guards began asserting dominance, and prisoners started to internalize their roles. What began as roleplay quickly turned into reality.
This is unbelievable. They took my clothes.
Hands off the door.
Within days, the situation spiraled out of control. Guards became abusive, forcing prisoners to perform humiliating tasks, withholding privileges, and using psychological manipulation. Prisoners displayed signs of extreme stress, anxiety, and helplessness. Some even broke down emotionally, begging to leave. Although the study was supposed to last 2 weeks, it was abruptly terminated after just 6 days. Zimbardo's college, Christina Maslach, intervened, calling out the unethical treatment of participants. The experiment had gone too far. The Stanford Prison Experiment revealed how ordinary people could commit extraordinary acts under the influence of authority and situational pressure.
I had really thought that I was incapable of this kind of behavior. I was surprised, even no, I was dismayed to find out that I could really be that I could act in a manner so absolutely unaccustomed to.
However, it also raised serious ethical concerns about psychological research. Today, it serves as a critical case study on the impact of power dynamic and importance of ethical standards. Today, the experiment is a cornerstone in understanding power dynamics, social roles, and situational psychology. While its findings are often debated, its legacy underscores the importance of ethical consideration in all research involving human subject. This study leaves us with a lasting question: how much of our behaviors are shaped by the roles we're given, and how far we could go if we placed in a right or wrong circumstances.